Edifier sent me their TWS1 Pro True Wireless Earbuds. I've been using it for the last 2 weeks and that brings you this review video. If you find this video helpful, like this video, subscribe to the channel and let's dive into the video. On the primary side of the packaging, key features of TWS1 Pro earbuds are printed along with an image of the earbuds. On the rear side of the packaging, features and the contents of the packaging are printed along with the image of the charging case and the earbuds. The bottom of the packaging contains the info on the selected earbuds color, FCC statements, model number of the earbuds and safety information. Let's get into the unboxing phase of this video. The unboxing experience of Edifier True Wireless Stereo Earbuds is premium. I love how they have printed their brand logo on the container lid. The charging case is in place below the container lid. It's protected with a protection sticker. Below the top layer of the container, all the useful items for the earbuds are provided in a well organized manner. This is the after sales card that you can use it to contact Edifier. The container contains ear tips in 3 different sizes. The third ear tip is already mounted to the earbuds. A USB Type-C charging cable is provided, which is very important in earbuds with $50 price tag. It supports reverse insertion, where you can insert it to the charging case on either side, which is very convenient. A user manual in multiple languages is provided in order to assist us in connecting the earbuds and understand the touch functionality of the earbuds. I'll come to it during the following phases of the video. A safety information sheet is provided in multiple languages and the True Wireless Earbuds FCC compliance statement sheet is provided. The charging case provides 30 hours of playback time with just 40 minutes of charge. Therefore, in addition to 30 hours from the charging case, the earbuds provides 12 hours of continuous playback time that sums up to 42 hours of playback time from both earbuds and charging case with just 40 minutes of charge from the charging case. The primary side of the charging case contains a hidden notification LED that blinks when charging and blinks on and off when the charging case is opened or closed in order to indicate the battery percentage. It blinks thrice when the battery is around 70 to 100%, blinks twice when the battery is 40 to 70%, blinks once when the battery is 20 to 40% and blinks rapidly thrice when the battery is less than 20%. Edifier is a brand that listens to customer feedback and improves their products. The rear side of the charging case contains a USB Type-C port that is used for quick charging purposes and convenient plugging compared to micro USB ports. The bottom of the charging case contains information on FCC compliance, model number, brand name and voltage levels of earbuds and charging case printed in gold, which gives a premium feel to me where I've never seen it in other brands. The upper side of the charging case is printed with the Edifier brand name in gold. I love how they've put a lot of work into the design of these True Wireless earbuds. The charging case lid contains a magnet to prevent the lid of the charging case from opening when it's held upside down position. That's a plus point in terms of product design. I've seen charging cases lids of True Wireless earbuds from various brands opening automatically when it's held upside down, where the earbuds are vulnerable to falling off and getting damaged. However, the $50 price tag's basic safety requirements are satisfied by the Edifier's earbuds. The earbuds are well placed in the charging case with plenty of space even though it has a bulky earbuds design. I'll come to it in the following phases of the video. Speaking about earbuds placement, it's supported by magnets to hold it in place without damaging the charging pins as well as preventing the earbuds from falling off the charging case. Honestly to say, Edifier has done a good job in terms of safety measurements to these earbuds. Appropriate side to place the left and right earbuds in the charging case can be identified by L and R, which is printed next to the charging pins. Therefore, the damaging of charging pins can be prevented when placing the earbuds. A LED indicator is included in each earbud to indicate us when the earbuds enter into the Bluetooth pairing mode. Its sound quality is really good and crisp. The bass is 95% on point, vocals, mids, highs and everything is spotlighted during the listening experience. Therefore, I really enjoy listening to music in these earbuds most of the time. In order to transmit the truest audio experience, PU Plus titanium diaphragm distinguishes the human voice and frequencies. It's rated IP65 waterproof and dust resistant, therefore you can put it on while raining or in the gym without a problem. Edifier has done a lot of work to bring it close to perfect in the $50 price tag. Qualcomm aptX adaptive audio technology provides dynamic low latency, where it's good for gaming, maintains audio with media, which is very important in true wireless earbuds. The bitrate adaptively adjusts in order to provide glitch-free audio seamlessly. Therefore, even at lower bit rates, you can experience extraordinary audio quality. It has Qualcomm's true wireless mirroring technology, where you just have to connect one earbud and the other earbud automatically connects to the earbud that is already connected and mirrors it. Therefore, you don't have to connect each earbud prior to pairing it with your device. It also swaps the connection between the connected earbud and the mirroring earbud if the connecting earbud's connection is weaker than the mirroring earbud, and that happens invisibly. It has Qualcomm's CVC 8.0 noise cancellation technology, which is clear voice capture that filters the surrounding noises while in a phone call or even voice recording. It's built with Qualcomm's QCC 3040 Bluetooth chipset version 5.2, which is designed for mid to entry-level Bluetooth earbuds. Therefore, power consumption is lower, audio transmission is faster, and provides stable connection. This earbuds is packed with the most important features that every earbuds needs with a $50 price tag. It is because Edifier listens to their customer feedback. That's one of the reasons why I love Edifier's products. The TWS1 Pro's touch controls are one of the most convenient among various true wireless earbuds functional operations available today. You can single tap the left or right earbud to accept an incoming call, press and hold the left or right earbud to decline or end a call. In order to pause or play music, you can single tap the left or right earbud. Double tap the left earbud to jump to the previous track, and double tap the right earbud to jump to the next track. In order to volume up, you have to just tap and hold the right earbud, and to volume down, tap and hold the left earbud. This is the microphone test of Edifier TWS1 Pro True Wireless Earbuds. You should be able to get a better understanding of the call quality from this microphone test. Now I'll play a background noise so you can have a better understanding of the noise cancellation performance while on a call or voice recording. The background noise is playing currently. Let me know your thoughts on Edifier's TWS1 Pro True Wireless Earbuds. What do you like about these true wireless earbuds and what you don't like in the comment section down below. Now I'm back to my main microphone and the background noise is still playing, so you can identify the differences easily. I hope you guys have a better idea on the microphone and the noise cancellation performance in these earbuds. If you find this video helpful, like this video, subscribe to this channel and share this video if it could be beneficial for your friends and family.